in the last video, we explored the very beautiful and picturesque Cockroach Walk in all its glory. Located on the mountain slope, this beautiful pathway truly made our day with picture-perfect views and amazing landscape. Today's destination is one of the most famous trekking point in Kodaikanal known as Dolphin Nose, and on the way we will try to cover the beautiful Vattakanal Waterfall also. The weather in Kodaikanal is really unpredictable and one can never know when it will change drastically. We quickly went to have our breakfast as we had planned to spend some quality time outside by the viewpoint today.
Dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
We started off to our destination for the day and the weather quickly started changing. It was damn misty and cold all of a sudden.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs.
I stopped my car in a beautiful location and flew my drone to see how it looked like from above. It was just magical.
Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring.
We reached the place, parked the car and started our hike to the majestic Dolphin Nose viewpoint, which is located at the altitude of 6,600 feet, providing a mind-blowing view of the entire city.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all.
On the way, we came across the beautiful Vattakanal Waterfall right in the middle of the jungle. Although it is a very small waterfall, the vibe around this place is very much worth experiencing. This beautiful waterfall nestled in the lap of the nature will definitely give you an amazing view to behold.
Like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when.
After enjoying the amazing view of the waterfall, we stopped at a small cafe for some refreshment.
Bring the sweat from my brow and the glow of the fire pull me home.
We continued our trek towards Dolphin Nose. As we were approaching the destination, we were really amazed by the rich terrains, clear skies, plunged valleys and the splendor of lush green surrounding this beautiful place. Due to the heavy rains the night before, the trails leading to the main viewpoint were in a very bad state. So we decided to go to a very nearby spot. The view you get from this place is equally as beautiful as the main viewpoint. We were a bit late to reach this point and I could only imagine how beautiful sunrises and sunsets looks from here. I took out my drone to capture the enthralling aerial beauty of this place and trust me, it was beyond what I imagined. After soaking in the pleasant vibes from this place, we decided to head back to Kodai city for some shopping. Kodai city has a lot of small shops selling beautiful handicrafts, spices, homemade chocolates, which is something you can consider taking back home from here. We had an amazing time exploring Kodaikanal and will definitely visit sometime very soon to explore some more beautiful places. So that's all from my Kodai trip this time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Till I'm back with my next video, take care and goodbye.